Okay, so today we're going to be replacing a faulty smoke detector. As you can see, we've replaced the battery. This is the old battery. That's the smoke detector. We've replaced the battery in it. See, there's a new battery. And it's still beeping. So, sorry, I gotta adjust this. This is oddly loose on my head. There we go. First things first, however, ear protection, because these are very loud and obnoxious, and whenever you pull out the battery on them, they're going to start chirping, and the chirps are very loud. You don't want them right by your head. Trust me. So the main reason why I'm doing this is because we replaced the battery, and also and we thought it was that, but it's not. It's just beeping, which means that it's faulty. If there was a power issue, oh, come on. Hold on for a minute. So it's beeping in the middle of the night. Now you're gonna hear it start chirping pretty soon. As soon as I take the battery out of it, in fact. This is what it should do. It's gonna do it. It should start chirping now. But as you see, it's not. So go ahead, twist it, and then pull. You're supposed to be able to twist. Oh, it's stuck now. That's wonderful. Supposed to be able to twist it. There it goes. As you can hear, it start chirping now. So if you twist it and pull, it should pop right out. And use your finger, like so. Just pull right out of the ceiling. Come on. Oh, wrong way. I need a screwdriver in order to do this. So they should start chirping, but they're not chirping. Well, that one's not chirping, it's just beeping, which is very annoying. And it does it at random times during the day. There's no rhyme or reason. Everybody says that if it's faulty, it should beep every few minutes, but it definitely doesn't. So there is no real reason as to why it's doing that. Where's my screwdriver? Oh, that's a Phillips head. Let's see. Jinxie, go back in the house. Jinxie. Jinxie, back in the house. Thank you. Actually, we might have something in here. I can't tell. Like this. This will be perfect. Something nice and tiny to be able to get into. So as you can see, the light is still blinking. It's been doing that the whole time. Which means that there isn't something really right with it. I thought the light should be different. There we go. Now if you pull this down, it should easily pull down, but that's not really the case. I'm trying not to set it off. There we go. There we are. So now it has no more power in it. If we press the button. Never had that happen before. And just to go to show you that a smoke detector can still work, I suggest you turn your volume down for this. Just to let you know that a smoke detector will still work and trigger the rest. With one missing, because we even have one in the garage. It's missing due to it being in the garage. See? If we test this one, they should all start going off. So as you can see, they test. They all test good. If you want more proof, we'll go into the other room and test this one out. So as you can see, they all are working. There's even one in this room, but I think you get the point. So we can actually get away with this simply because we have an accumulation of smoke detectors in one room, or like in a smaller area. But let's go ahead and look at this. I want to test this out. Nope, no more power in it. I want to take a look at this. I want to take a look inside of it, in fact. Huh. That's interesting. Wonder if this is the manufacturing date right here. So the black line must be the hot line, and the orange is the one that all of them are interconnected to. That's pretty cool. Neutral is white, of course. It's a First Alert model number 9120B. Your regular old run-of-the-mill smoke detector. It holds 120 volts AC. That's interesting. I thought they only ran off of 9-volt batteries. And their backup is the 9-volt battery. That's interesting. Let's see what it even says on the back. That's pretty interesting. Well, I guess that's it. It's not a really eventful video other than just taking down a stupid smoke detector. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.